tell you a little something about kids. Are they cute? No. Oh, they're fucking adorable. I got 3 of them myself. I got little Jimbo, who's 3. Courtney Rand Tiffany, which is 2. And I just had my 3rd one, 4 days old. Just got back from the hospital, spending it here. You know what? Because of them kids, I ain't getting no goddamn attention. None. Because of the little one, the 4-day-old one, ain't nobody coming up behind me saying, "Hey, baby, let me get that." No. Ain't nobody saying that to me. And I just recently developed this drinking problem 4 months ago when I was still pregnant. Let me tell you something. Their grandma, all 4 of them, they can cook. They got some good old fried chicken. God damn. You don't know how they can cook. Anyway, like I said, I got 3 kids and 4 baby daddy. So, let me just tell you about them goddamn child supports. Ray, that was my first baby daddy. My first baby daddy. And let me tell you something. He got right there behind me and he was like, "Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby!" I got pregnant. First one. I thought about getting an abortion. Hell, I thought about adoption. But I'm like, no, I can't get rid of this little baby. No! 3 years later, I'm ready to get rid of him right now. You might think this is a cigarette. Well, it ain't. I got that weed in there. And if it wasn't for them goddamn kids, I wouldn't be drinking. Second baby daddy left me that 2 weeks ago when he was beating my ass. Literally. Third baby daddy. 9 months ago, I ain't never seen him before. Ain't never met the guy. But I'm having his kid. Hell, I think I'm pregnant right now. I don't give a shit. This is a serious problem. Because whenever I go out to the club 9 months pregnant, let me tell you, this ain't getting it. Because I got a big old belly. Well, hell, I just had that. I just popped out that kid. I'm ready to go again. I know. Courtney Ron Tiffany, put down that shit. You are not allowed to eat shit.